Hi everyone, I'm Sebejan A. Gilemba. Ang topic na to karon is construction of watertight bulkheads in a ship as a per Solas Chapter 2 as a regulation. Introduction and a purpose. Purpose of watertight bulkheads. Subdivide the hull to limit flooding. Maintain the buoyancy and stability in the damaged conditions. Comply the solo safety standard to enhance survivability at the sea. Designed to subdivide the hull into a watertight compartments to preserve buoyancy and stability after damage. Essential for the damage survivability and limiting progressive flooding. Construction requirements. Structural construction standard. Constructed from steel of the equivalent non-combustible material. Must be continuous from keel to bulkhead deck. All joint penetration and seam must be watertight. Frames and stiffeners should not compromise integrity. Made of steel or of other approved non-combustible watertight materials. Bulkheads must be continuous from the ship's bottom up to the bulkhead's deck. All joints, seam, penetration, and hinge must be completely watertight. Longitudinal and transverse framing may be used, but should not compromise watertight integrity. Bulkheads agreement by the ship type. Bulkheads layout and the position. Passenger ship minimum of transverse watertight bulkheads. Cargo ship layout depends on the ship length and stability requirements. Key positions. Conclusion bulkheads. After the bulkheads at the machinery space and the cargo holds. Passenger ship minimum of 5 main transverse watertight bulkheads. Cargo numbers of located depend on the length of the ship, L, and the required probabilistic damage stability bulkheads located at forepeak. After the forepeak machinery, species boundaries, cargo holds, and accommodation areas. Opening and watertight doors. Watertight doors and penetration. Opening must be minimized the tight cell. Watertight doors must be proper operated where required. Equip the indicator system. Close at the sea, except under the controlled conditions. All, all cable and pipe penetration must be approved sealed. All penetration doors, dust, cables, and pipes must be fitted and approved watertight closures. Watertight doors must be oriented where required. In a passenger ship, have an indicator system for opening close status be used during navigation, especially in the damage control zone. Openings must be minimized and properly reinforced. Testing and compliance. Testing and regulatory compliance. Inch of bulkheads tested under hydrostatic pressure, leak, and testing at the penetration and seam. So, compliance with SOLAS standard class society rules, flag state surveys. So, everything watertight bulkheads must be undergo hydrostatic pressure testing during construction, leak test at joint and the penetration. Surveys verification must comply by class society rules and flag state requires. Maintenance inspection. Maintenance inspection and crew training. Regulation inspection per IECM code. Maintenance log to be written on board. Crew must be trained in watertight door operation, damage control and emergency procedure. Inspection schedule Under the International Safety Management or ISM code, crew must be training in watertight door operation, damage control procedure, records of tests, inspection, and repairs must be kept on board and available for authority. Conclusion. Summary importance. Proper bookage design is critical for ship safety, so as mandates strict construction and testing standards. Ongoing maintenance and crew readiness are key to ensuring watertight integrity.